Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to the Let's Build episode 2 with Keevey, and today we're gonna build this blacksmith kind of thing. I think it looks pretty darn awesome, so let's head inside. Look at this furnace. No, this yeah, forget it. These furnaces, anvils, everything you need. Need no lightings cause it's so lit up by the fire here. And yeah, so let's build it. We'll start out with a shape like this, so just screenshot or stop the video right here if you want to build this. So yeah, let's go head over. So you want to place half slabs in these spots, and then you want to like bring up not these but all the other ones, so like that. Actually, you wanna bring them up even more. So you wanna build like a wall here. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So 4 is gonna be like that. So you wanna build this whole thing up like 4 blocks high. And you also wanna have the blocks at the floor, so it's only 2 high. Let's see. Just make that done, and I want to make it day, so it's kind of nice to see what I do. Then you want to bring this out, and yeah, like that. And you want to build your floor inside here, so it's made out of cobblestone. Also build like here, because that's kind of a cobble wall. So I like having a cobble wall at the back. So it's a pretty neat use for stone, actually, because you need stone to make stone bricks, cobblestone, yeah, all this stuff. So you can actually fill in this cobblestone right as this. You can see I have it like there too. So now we want to fill in like this and like that, and then put what is it called, brick slabs in the windows, kinda. So yeah, like that, and one like there, and here, oops, again, fuck, yeah, like that. Put these on top, and here you just want to have these in the windows. You can actually put a slab in between. So that's pretty much the shape of your whole thing. I like to place 2 with these on top, and as you can see, these have like round corners, and this is I don't know what it's called, but this here is like that here too, and that's, yeah, don't care of that, it just looks good. So then I want to bring this up one more, and yeah, so let's build the furnace, no, the fireplace. So let's see, like that. Okay, perfect, like this, half slabs, block, stair, and then just bring it up. Have some iron bars in front. Get some netherrack, flint and steel, and there we go. Just delete this. Then you might wanna place your furnaces like anvils you can have this like different, but I like having it that way, and it's kind of good space here too, and that's great. So let's build our roof. So you want to bring it like that, and not put here, but only there. Bring it out with there. Bring it out like this. Fuck. Oh, darn it. Do like this, and here you just swipe around, and that's your first layer. So then you want to come here, put it like that, all around, and want to bring that back up. Oh. As you can see, the fireplace now coming through the roof here pretty perfectly. And then, because you want to have this like 2 in, it gets like this, 2 flats like that, and then you actually want to have it kind of like this in the corners. Then you want to bring it up and make it like this, one more up, you know. So like that. And that should pretty much be done. One thing I've done here is I put some cobblestone around it to tweak it a little bit. Around here. And then it stops there. So that's that, and yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and favorite, and everything like that, and more tutorials will come soon, so stay tuned for more, and see ya.